So then, like first download SQL Server. Then, like just go to Google, type download SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. Okay, so you just type like this. Then, so the first one, you'll get a link. The first one, SQL Server downloads, Microsoft.com. SQL Server downloads. So when you select, then SQL Server downloads, then okay, then there are three here: SQL Server Azure, SQL Server at the edge, SQL Server on premises. So if you want to install SQL Server in cloud, you need to download this. To install SQL Server in cloud, download this one. To install SQL Server in IoT devices, download this one. To install SQL Server in your laptop, download this one. Third one, SQL Server on premises. See, the first one is for cloud. The second one is for IoT devices. The third one is for your laptop. Okay, so if you want to install SQL Server in your laptop, download. But the problem is this is 180 days trial version. It works for 180 days. After 180 days, it will ask license. Okay, then. But so Microsoft is given two free editions. One is a developer edition, another one express edition. Okay, so Microsoft is provided two free editions, developer and express edition. So you can download any, either you can download developer or you can download express edition. So that, so this is a developer edition is what, okay, then. So developer edition is like it is good for development and test. For test databases, for development databases, use this one. This is good for development and production. Okay. Then for small server applications, so use Express Edition. So I'm downloading this one, developer edition. Otherwise, you can use this one also, no problem. So download this then. So downloading is started. Downloading is started. Plus, so it is downloaded. So where we can find this file? We can find this file in downloads. So just go to downloads. So this is the downloads. In downloads, you can find this SQL 2022 Developer Edition. Okay, SQL 2022. 2022 is version. So this DEV is development edition, developer edition. Okay, then. So double click this. When you double click this, then installation begins. So once you double click this, installation starts. Then. So this is the link for downloading SQL Server. Okay, next one, install. So after downloading, just go to the downloads. So you find the file, double click. So when you double click, installation begins. Okay, then. Now, how to install it? Okay, how to install. Now, let's see the step-by-step installation. Step-by-step installation of SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. Just you go to the Google, type this one, the step-by-step installation of SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. We'll get the videos also there. Okay, so just to open this, there is one website, mssqltips.com. So there is one website, like go to this one. Then here they give the step-by-step installation with screenshots. Okay, then. So actually, like in website, what we selected is, so we selected this developer edition. So this developer edition is downloaded. Then what you do, double click. So when you double click, then installation begins. Installation begins. Here you can select basic or custom. So you can either you can select basic or you can select custom. No problem. Then next. After this, here left side there is an installation. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then. Oh. Yeah. So left side, there is an installation. Left side, you select installation, and right side, you select new SQL Server standalone installation. Left side, you select installation. Right side, you select new SQL Server standalone installation. Okay, then next one. So after selecting this, then, so you need to mention which edition you are downloading. Developer edition. Specify the edition, developer edition. Next. So select the accept the license. Accept the license. Then click next. Accept the license, click next. Microsoft update. Do you want to receive any updates from Microsoft? Then select. Otherwise, leave it. So you don't want to receive any updates, then don't select this. But if you want to receive any updates from Microsoft, select it. Next one. Install rules. Here also we don't do anything. Click next. Windows firewall. Click OK. So this is Azure extension. Then like don't select this. Here it is already selected. You uncheck. You uncheck it. Then click what? Next. Click next. And future selection, select database engine. Future selection, select database engine. Okay, then. So you can go with default. Okay. Then next. Instance configuration. Instance configuration. Here you enter some instance name. The name of the instance, that means the name of the like SQL Server. Installation of SQL Server. Whenever SQL Server is installed, one instance is created. You are giving the name to that instance. Let's say instance 2022. Give some name, simple name, like something like this, instance 2022. Okay, then. So click next. Click next. And server configuration. Here also we don't do anything. So click next. And database engine configuration. Here you select mixed mode. But here by default Windows is selected, but you select mixed mode. You select mixed mode. And specify the password for SA. Specify the password for SA. SA is system admin. So by default, system admin is created after installation. That we'll see. Okay, na? System admin is created. So we are entering the password for SA. So enter the password, but remember this password because every day we use this password to log into SQL Server. Okay, then here you select mixed mode. So enter the password for SA account. System admin is created. So enter the password for SA, and every day we use this login and password to connect to the SQL server. So enter simple password. Don't enter complex passwords. Enter simple ABC 1 2 3 like that, and click add so that admin is added. Click add so that admin is added. Click next. Click next. That's all. So here also we don't do anything. Click next. Click next. Click next. Next. That's all. So then. So ready to install, then click install button. Finally. So finally there is you'll get install, click install. So when you click install, then installation will be completed. That's all. So these are the steps you need to follow. Okay, then. See here. Yeah.
Yeah, so this screenshots like step by step what you are showing, like, so this is for the custom, right? I believe, because when I click on the basic, I see like after that click next, like it is already installing. It's not comes the all the steps.
You selected basic.
Yeah.
You selected basic, then it's not asking anything.
Okay, we can then probably configuration like all the password and username, everything, right? Even basic is fine, right? Vijay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, select custom. Better select custom. Okay, na?
I'm okay. If you want, I can do that, but I'm right now done. I'm on the screen. I can go back. Installation is done right now for me.
Installation is completed. Then you cannot go
Yeah.
back. Okay,
Yeah,
now?
and I
Yes.
see the like one of the screen like where showing instance name, administration, like these things I need to give right now.
Okay. Then, so first let me complete. See,
Okay.
because how to check whether then. See, once again, after completion, like you want to check whether SQL Server is installed in your system or not.